Okay, let's go.
The moon shines, and welcome in my new filming location. It's another unboxing. Also, how do you like my mascot's new outfit? I thought it was time to properly dress her. Anyways, behind me is a package from Lps Cobalt or Cobalt Studios. I'll leave his links in the description below. And I commissioned him again for 4 customs, I think. 4 or 5, one of the two, I forgot. So let's just open it because I can't wait to see the pets. So I cut the tape already, so let's just take out all the customs one by one. I don't know what this is. Oh my god. I'm going to start with the extras as usual, and I'm flabbergasted right now. I'm going to start with these stickers. Look adorable. Looks really cool, and it almost looks like a frog wizard or witch, and I love these things. So yeah, they are going to on my sketchbook. Next, this one. I mentioned to him a lot that I really wish I could get these pets, these sweet and sour pets, because they are only available in America and I live in Europe, so I'm unable to get them. And this German Shepherd was one of the favorites. The other one is the Himalayan cat, but I'm glad to get him. Like, he's adorable. Thank you so much, Cobalt. You really didn't have to give me an extra pet, but I really appreciate it. Yeah. I think this one is the note. Oh, extra sticker. Thank you as always. I had so much fun creating the Borzoi, Cobalt. Enjoy the extras. Evil smiley face. And Paul Bad. Oh, I'm definitely going to enjoy him. I'm going to start off with this one. By Chocolate Chip Chihuahua design I came up with. I did notice that I did have chocolate chips also on the mint here in the ears, the tail, and the chest. But now seeing this whole thing, I like it way better this way because it was maybe a little bit busy. Plus, chocolate chips on so small things is pretty difficult. I should know. I tried it. But I love her. Like, she's adorable. Boo. But just for context, this is the original design. But hair, I like this one way more. So, yay. This one. I'm going to just first do the 2 ones that I have designed myself, and then go to the mood board customs, which are the 2 Borzois that I asked him to make. This one is my Warrior Cat's OC called Starpelt. She has this little thing around her neck because this is her design, by the way. She was originally a kitty pet, but she ended up in the forest after her owner passed away. So I love how she came out. I'm currently working on my own version of her, but she looks incredible in his style. Like, she looks absolutely adorable. And pop pads. That was one of her main features because I really wanted to have her to have multicolored pop pads. So, yeah, she looks adorable. She's a head swap between a walking cat, but I usually call them destiny cats. I got that from Lps Hannah. And a wolf cat head. Adorable. Oh, whoopsie. Let's just go to the next two. I'm going to show them together because they are very special. Like, they are based off of mood boards that I made myself of my sexuality. Right? You can look at this one and hopefully guess which sexuality it is. Slowly. So, here are the mood boards. This one is based off of bisexual, and this one aromantic. Not many people know about the aromantic sexuality, but it basically means that I can't feel romantic attraction to anyone, or very little, but I fall in the spectrum of not at all. While this one means that I can fall on both genders. And people sometimes ask me, wait, if you can't feel romantic love, then how are you bisexual? I can still feel sexual attraction to others, so I get sexually attracted to other sexuality, to both genders. But I'm going to start off with the bisexual one. As this one had this mood board, just letting you see it for once. 1 second more while I turn it. As this one was a little based on, well, the galaxy and things, to kind of blend it in with the alien aspect of the other one, with the aromantic custom, I wanted her to look a little ethereal, and I thought it would be very cute if the ears were long enough to graze the ground a little as it walks. I find her adorable. Like, she's very cute. I see that the star in the eye is a little charm because it's 3D, and the same goes for the little stars in the ears, I think. They're either molded or just charms. I'm not sure which one of the two. Little eyebrows. I like that the face here looks like a heart. But I find her very adorable. Next up, aromantic. And this had this mood board. I will say that this one is definitely the favorite of the two for me. Like, I love them both, but I like this one a little bit more. Just a little bit. The reason for the alien aspect in this design is because as a romantic, you sometimes feel like an alien because people keep pushing into you that love is just, it happens to everyone, so even to you. So when you don't feel it, you feel different and very alien. I got over that over a while because I don't really care anymore what people think of me. But I love this design. The tail is very cute. I love the eyes. And this one also has the little charm star eye shape. I just noticed there's a little gradient in the eye. In the pictures, the sclera looked black, but I feel it's more very dark green. You can't see it on camera very well, but under the green there's a darker green. It's not black. So yeah, he just looks adorable, like very cute. Well, so much for watching. I absolutely love these customs. Like, thank you so much, Cobalt, for taking my challenge commission on, as I know that these two customs of the Borzois were your first Borzoi custom ever. So I'm sorry if the design was complicated for your first Borzoi, but know that the customs look absolutely amazing, and they are going to be cherished forever in the little display from me, together with the other customs I bought and commissioned from you, and from other customizers. But I hope you all enjoyed the video, and well, I absolutely love these customs. I have nothing else to say. I will add a little picture of the display case with all of them together in their new homes. Bye!